In dense terrain, survival hinges on listening to wind patterns which reveal creeks, ridges, and open ground. A steady whisper on the left often means a sheltered slope, while louder breaths ahead signal exposed ridges and safer riverside routes. By comparing shifts in wind texture with distant terrain, a traveler can choose smoother paths and avoid sudden drops. This ear-powered method pairs with basic map reading to boost odds when compasses fail or visibility drops. Practically test and refine this skill on short hikes before relying on it in emergencies.